Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn job application log with Airtable detail. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Jobs section located in the upper navigation bar. Look for the Application History or Applied Jobs option. Open your application history to view the list of jobs you've applied for. Next, open a new tab and log into your Airtable account. If you don't have an Airtable account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, create a new base by clicking on Add a Base. Choose Start from Scratch to create a new empty base. Name your base something relevant, like Job Applications. Now, create your first table by clicking on the default table name. Rename this table to Applications. In the Applications table, set up the following columns: company name, job title, application date, status, and notes. For each column, select the appropriate field type. For example, use single-line text for the company name and job title. Change the application date to a date type field. Select Select for the status column to track your application status. Customize the options for the status field, such as applied, interview, and rejected. Once your table structure is set up, return to your LinkedIn application history. Manually input each job you've applied for into your Airtable table. Start by entering the company name and job title in their respective columns. Next, input the application date for each entry. Update the status field based on your current progress with each application. Finally, use the Notes column to add any additional information. Consider creating a new view in Airtable for better organization. Use filtered views to display only jobs with a specific status. You can also sort your applications by date to see the most recent ones first. To ensure your data is safe, periodically back up your Airtable base. Export your Airtable table to a CSV file or another format if needed. You've now successfully backed up your LinkedIn job application log using Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.